Hi guys, so today I wanted to share with you guys this soap here, this amazing soap that I use, and it is from Samina Styles. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see, aka Aisha Miller on Facebook, but she's a Gambian sister. And guys, oh my goodness, if I tell you guys that this soap is a holy grail, you better believe me, because it is. I have been using this for over 2 weeks now, and I so love it. I so love it, and it smells so good. There's that citrus smell on it in it, and it smells so good. But look at my face, like, what? My dark spots are fading. Pimples is a no. Like, I have not break out since I started using this at all, and I'm like serious. So the couple of dark spots that you guys probably see on my forehead and on the side is my old pimples that just got dark. But this one, since I started using it, I have not break out at all. So I wanted to show you guys this soap so you guys can grab it as quickly as you can. Right now it's out of stock, but it's gonna be in stock very soon. I'm gonna make sure I check the website again, and if it's in stock, I'm gonna let you guys know on the post. But this soap is amazing, and if you have problematic skin, hyperpigmentation, this is the way to go, because I got you. So the way I use this soap is I always put it on my face. I take a tiny bit like so, see, wet my face and just rub it all over my face, and then I'll leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off my face. And then the next thing I do after using the soap is use my sugar scrub. So this sugar scrub, I made it by myself. It is just sugar and some essential oils and some avocado oil that I put in there, and this is perfect for what is it called again? I forgot how they call this. Oh my goodness. Exfoliating. This is perfect for exfoliating. And you know, sugar scrub is like very natural and it's good. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar. I don't have brown sugar, which I like to use, but I use white sugar and some essential oils. And the reason why it's blue is just some food coloring that I put there to make it look cute. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Oh, I dropped it. To make it look cute, basically, you can do yellow one to make it look yellow. You can use any type of color that you want, or you can just leave it plain white if you wish. But after I put the soap on my face, I follow up with the sugar scrub and I exfoliate my skin. Because what happened is that, because I leave the soap to stay on my skin for about 10 to 15 minutes, you know, it's doing its job like really good, instead of just putting it on my face and washing it off. So I leave it there so that it can work on my skin. And because of that, I tend to have flakes, a little bit of flakes on my face. You will not see it, you can barely see it, nobody can notice. You're the only one who can notice little flakes in your face, and that's the dead skin coming off. Okay, and I love that. Anytime I have soap that can do that for me, I love it, because that was why I fell in love with my black soap, because it was just removing the dead skin. And this one is doing the same thing for me. It is removing all the dead skin. So of course I have to go and follow up with my sugar scrub, or any type of scrub that you have, you know, just exfoliate. And if you guys don't know, try to exfoliate your skin, at least your face, okay, because your face is very sensitive, at least 2 or 3 times a week. So I do 3 times a week, sometimes 2, but that's like the most that you can exfoliate. You don't have to exfoliate your skin every day, because your skin might be too sensitive for that, and you may end up just, you know, causing some abrasions in your skin. Sorry, my kids are yelling. But yeah guys, I just wanted to share with you guys this, because so many people have been asking me, ooh, your skin looks good. And so yeah, love you guys, and make sure you guys check her out. I'm gonna leave the link down below to her website, and I'm also gonna leave her Facebook link down below. Okay, alright guys, so this here is after washing off my face. washing the soap off my face and also exfoliating my face with my sugar scrub, and this is what I look like. Guys, this video is not edited, there is no filters in it. This is how I look within 2 weeks of using this soap, okay? And I look so good. Ooh, yes. Look, guys. You can't talk to me. Like, no editing at all. I did not edit this video. I did not filter this video. This is my natural skin. I just have a very little ring light standing right in front of me, and that's it. That's just for some good lighting. This is my natural skin. And by the way, there is no bleaching ingredients in this product, okay? Just in case you visit the website and see other things, maybe you don't bleach and you see a product that is for bleaching. This soap has no bleaching ingredient, so it only helps treat eczema, acne, dark spots, and it'll even out your skin. That's it. Basically, it's just for hyperpigmentation skin types, okay? Basically, yeah, guys, that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until I see you in my next one. Bye, guys.